come with me to play jazz in a trio in a renovated train station.
So this is Beaver Station Cultural and Event Center, located in Beaver, Pennsylvania. They do a fantastic job. They do weddings, special events, and this was more of like a corporate thing, and there was catering, and everyone was there. It was fantastic, so helpful and so nice. But we're at a train station, so we had to play the train song, Take the A Train by Billy Strayhorn. And if you listen closely, you hear that we actually summoned the train. We must have been doing something right? Right?